Hey friends, welcome back to SoftGPT, where we break down the most powerful AI tools for creators, filmmakers, and digital brands. InVideo just launched something called Vision, and this is not just a feature update, this is a shift. I typed one prompt and got an entire cinematic 9-shot storyboard instantly. Let me show you why this changes everything. The problem. Here's the brutal truth. Most AI storyboard tools don't actually storyboard stories. They storyboard angles. They give you multiple ways to frame the same moment. But they don't understand how moments connect, escalate, or resolve. That's why so many great ideas stay stuck in your head. Creating a storyboard. Let's walk through this step by step. Go to ai.invideo.io, click on InVideo Vision. Then select Boards. Now here's the magic. You type a simple prompt. Select ratio and model and then click Generate. Within seconds, you don't get one image. You don't get variations of the same frame. You get a complete 33 storyboard grid. 9 connected shots. A beginning, a build-up, a climax, a resolution. This is story-first storyboarding. Each frame flows into the next. The lighting remains consistent. The character remains recognizable. The tone feels cinematic. And if you want to explore different creative directions, you can adjust looks or angles without breaking the narrative structure. This is the difference between generating images and generating a visual sequence. Idea storyboard production ready shots, that's the workflow. Built-in consistency. Here's something subtle but powerful. Vision doesn't generate 9 random images. It generates one coherent visual world. Because everything is created as a single storyboard grid, the character stays consistent. The product stays on model. The lighting and mood stays cinematic. Continuity isn't something you fix later. It's built into the first frame. For filmmakers, advertisers, and brand storytellers, that matters. Extract shot. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Vision isn't just for planning. Let's say I love this particular frame. I click Extract Shot. Instantly, I can isolate that frame as a standalone high-quality image. From here, I can upscale it. I can use it as a foundation for video creation. I can animate it. I can build an entire scene from it. This mirrors how real films and ads are made. Storyboard first. Produce second. You plan once. Then build shot by shot. Vision doesn't stop at imagination. It sets production in motion. This should not be free. And here's the part that honestly surprised me. Vision is free. You can brainstorm story ideas, test multiple concepts, refine your vision without burning credits. This removes pressure from the creative process. You're not rushing ideas because you're afraid of wasting generation limits. You're actually thinking better. And once your storyboard or extracted shot is ready, you can continue inside InVideo. Access advanced models. Edit, animate, enhance, export. No app hopping, no broken workflow, everything stays inside one project. This genuinely feels like something that should not be free. Honest recommendation. You can use Vision for free on InVideo. However, if you are serious about video creation and want to access the other 60+ models and higher creative limits, I highly recommend going for the generative plan that starts at $100 per month. This is the one that I personally use, and it gives you enough credits to create multiple high-quality videos consistently. So, that's a complete walkthrough of Vision inside InVideo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.